Hey guys, so today we are using Google Draw and the Google Docs to edit a job announcement. So for starters, we are going to highlight in yellow how to apply for the job. So to apply for the job on the Ascension Pairs website, you have to click right here, just the apply button. But whenever I copied and pasted it into Google Docs, it wasn't showing up. So I just took the job ID number and we're going to just highlight that. And then next we're going to draw a box around the job title. So right here. So we're going to click insert, drawing, then we're going to draw a box. And we can edit the box, make it bold, change the colors, stuff like that. You just click Save and Close. You want to put in front of the text. Position type. Next, we're going to circle the starting salary. So we're going to click right here, go to Insert, go to Drawing the New. Then we're going to go back to the scribble, draw a circle, save and close. And we're going to put this right here, put in front of text, and that's the pay grade. It is a T1 pay grade, so that's how they kind of classify their pay. You have to go on another document on the website and look up that T1 pay grade, and then it will tell you. I don't want to say it's like 48,000. So, yeah.